I just want to start by saying that one of our key policy driver is really making sure that all sectors are really impacted by the digital transformation. And when we say all sectors, it includes the agro-food sector, clearly. And it's essential because this sector in particular is facing very serious challenges. And the two main challenges that are really facing in agri-food sectors is mainly economic pressure on the revenue of the farmers, and also, of course, as you know, with a growing population, is also the use of natural resources. So use of natural resources is very critical, and it's something we should be extremely careful. And we believe that the digital transformation and digital technology could really happen and make things moving on and make sure that we are addressing those two challenges. And a short example we can take from the use of the digital technology could be on the revenue of the farmers. The use of digital technology could definitely reduce the costs, operational costs of the farmers. On the use of natural resources, it's very clear also that, for example, if you have a digital technology helping the farmers to reduce, for example, the use of water consumption, if we are able also to reduce the use of pesticide and to be more precise, using what we call smart farming, it could really make a difference in the use of those resources. Well, to be frank with you, the situation is not as good as we were expecting. So the use of technology is still of digital technology is still very low in this sector. So it's clear that we have to do much more than what we have today. The priorities for the future, there are, let's say, many aspects. Certainly one obvious one, which may not be obvious for some people, but is the fact that connectivity is still an issue. In rural areas, still not everybody is able to have a mobile connection. So this connectivity is certainly one kind of a prerequisite which is essential. Then, if you are talking to rural community and farmers in particular, they are not necessarily aware about the digital technology, and there is definitely also a kind of a skills gap between farmers and techie guys, I would say. And what would be probably the most critical priority now is, instead of talking about digital technology and so on, is really time to show that it's working. It's really time to have this kind of cost-benefit analysis where we are able to show concretely, look, this is what the new technology can bring you in terms of benefits, in terms of advantages. So it is essential. We are at this stage now to demonstrate this usefulness and what can it bring to me as a farmer if I'm using this, and what is the cost also. So the cost-benefit analysis is really essential.